In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can get your GrubHub promo code in May 2024. GrubHub promo codes are important to customers because they offer discounts or special deals, making dining more affordable. They can also encourage customers to try new restaurants or order more frequently, enhancing their overall experience while saving money. To do this, simply head into your Safari browser. It can be any other browser of your own choice. On the search bar, type in GrubHub promo code May 2024. You will see a bunch of different websites, but you will have to choose a legit website. Just like this website that has 10% off for any purchase you make. Tap into that exact website. Go ahead and choose any coupon code you want. When the coupon is generated, you will have to just copy the code to clipboard and head to your GrubHub app. You can also tap right here to redeem directly to the official GrubHub website. Before leaving this page, make sure to enter your email right here to receive new GrubHub active promo codes. All you need to do is just paste in the coupon code before making any payment. On the payment page, double-check down if your coupon is accepted and approved before proceeding. That's how easy it is to get your GrubHub promo code in May of 2024. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.